Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to delete your Zangi account. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. Now let us simply look at how to delete the account in Zangi. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right next to the friends icon, you can see a button like this. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you guys can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here called as privacy. Click on it right now, and as such, you will be redirected to this page. And right now, we only need to focus on the bottom of the screen. Right here, you can see something called as delete account. Click on it and just give your confirmation. Click on delete. And guys, that is it. As you can see, my account for Zangi has been deleted. Well guys, that is it. That's how you delete your Zangi account. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.